Hello. Today's beer is Old Peculier, because I am old and I am peculiar. It's 5.6%. It is on the strong side, but it is very nice. It's a dark beer, like a stout. Normally it's quite a good winter beer. I love this stuff. I am a Theakston's fan. I do like a Theakston's beer. Very, very nice beer. My favourite. Been my favourite for a very long time. Like I said, I don't drink very much. And this does actually make me sleepy. But it's good because I need to get some sleep tonight, because tomorrow at 6 a.m. I've got to go to a Tesco's click and collect to get my shopping. That's where we are these days. I've got to get up at 6 a.m. just to get some shopping. There's no way on this planet that I'm too old to go into the blooming supermarkets these days and get something. It will be a bad experience, so I'm not going to be doing that. So I'm basically taking most precautions I possibly can with all this garbage that's going around at the moment. Anyway, on that same kind of note, I wanted to show you 3 ways of actually getting on an SDR radio for absolutely nothing. Zilch. First way, my favourite way. Well, no, not my favourite way. This is my favourite piece of software for SDR receivers, because it's so versatile, does a whole range, and I'll show you now. So if we go over to my AOC, you'll see this software. Up here, you'll see, up here, I've got a different camera. Up here, you'll see there is a little list here. And what you're after is, if you've got one of these, you can choose one of those, it's up to you. But I'm after the Spy Server Network. Click on that, then click on the 3 arrows. That will pop a map up, okay? Here you can click on any one of the green dots, click on that, and that will then like it is quite noisy. So again, you've got a good radio. That's absolutely free. It takes you 2 minutes to download. I did a video on how to download that and set this up. Really easy, absolute, very polished piece of software. Noise reduction, second to none. And if you've got an existing HF radio, you can pipe audio from your HF radio into your computer, fire it into this software, and use the noise reduction on your outside radio. So you basically pipe audio into your computer and then send it out to your PC speakers. And my God, that is such a good way of doing it. Absolutely free, no special speakers, no special noise reduction or anything. Use the software to do all the heavy lifting. Thanks, Youssef. This is absolute top notch. Right, now then, so let's whiz out of that. Next piece of software I wanted to show you, which is SDR console. Now I've just lost it, so let me get in here. There we go. There you go. SDR. There it goes. Right, it's sdr-radio.com. Okay. And what we're after, you download the software, install it. I've not got it installed. Okay. At this precise time, I've not really needed to, but that's okay. But I don't really use it. But I'm just saying, it's a way of doing it. Download it. There are a few videos around on the interweb that will show you how to set this up, and especially there's one by SDR Play where John will talk you through how to actually get this to function with a range of radios. The list is quite long. They go up and down like a yo-yo, which is working and which isn't, because obviously, you know, this isn't run by SDR console. This is kind of lots and lots of private people putting their stuff on, and it's sort of, you're relying on other people. But you can see the list is potentially very, very extensive, and it tells you what it is they've got running along the side here. Then there's a whole range of things, so you can try all sorts of things. Now that brings me on to the third and final piece of software, which is web-based. Now this is a login type of software. Let me go back to the login page. You create an account and you basically then log in, and then you can go. Now I've already done that and it should let me back in. Now once you've done that, I've already found the list of all the available servers. Okay, and once you've done that, you click on one which you want to do. It's like the same sort of list. It tells you where they are in the world, and there are absolutely hundreds of them. Very, very thing. Click on that to start, and then this will give you a really usable radio.
Y luego viejo.
Sí,
I'm
es
not gonna leave
correcto.
it playing
Tiro esquina
because
punta de la
I've got
derecha
some
presentó.
copyright things. But here, can you stop it for a moment? Not sure if I can. No, probably not. But here you've got a whole list. Yeah, right, here we've actually got a whole list of things you can do with it. For instance, you can set AGCs, you can do noise gates, noise reduction, filters, auto notches. But then not only that, you've got a whole list of bands that you can select. You can then put in different extensions. You can do whisper, DRM, FSK, all sorts of things, all from a web-based piece of software. Again, absolutely nothing to spend. It's absolutely free. Brilliant, excellent. And so yeah, again, it's good fun. This basically means if you can't get access to if you can't get access to any form of let me get you back on that one. Yeah, if you can't get any access to any form of radio, because you might not be able to afford one, or you might be in sort of sheltered housing or something like that, this is a fantastic way of doing it. All you need is a laptop and just a simple Wi-Fi connection. There is a bit of bandwidth involved with moving graphics that dense, so you'd need a pretty good Wi-Fi connection. But these days, most broadband connections are pretty good. So, but yeah, so that is it for this week. I wanted to show you that because it's just fantastically brilliant, and best of all, like I said before, it's free. Enjoy. Let me know how you get on in the comments. And if there's anything you want me to have a quick gander at, I've had a couple of requests actually, which I'm going to try and visit as quickly as possible. I'm still working full time, unfortunately. We're picking and packing for Martin Lynch and Sons, obviously, and we're trying to get everything out. So, but anyway, I wanted to show you that. I wanted to show you the three things that I use when I'm sort of travelling around or whatever, when I can, and yeah, just keeps you in radio and very easy. Like I said, best of all, free. Enjoy, have fun with that, and leave comments, thumbs ups, always thumbs ups, and enjoy your beer. I'm going to enjoy mine now, and then I'm going to bed. Thanks for watching. See you later.